Okay guys, we're going to go through the process of installing a duplex receptacle in a single gang plastic box. We already have the Romex pushed into the box and ready to install on the receptacle. So this is just one cable coming into a box. It's the end of the line and you're installing the receptacle. So you need to, what I like to do is take a fist, get it to the same length as a fist coming out of the box, plus a little bit, doesn't matter, you can take that part out. Strip long enough to make a hook onto the receptacle, which then, if you're fancy, you take this little eyelet on your strippers and you can make a hook out of it, like so. Then take your receptacle, and it has a ground screw, a neutral screw, and a hot screw. And there's actually two of each except for the ground. So, because this is the end of the line, we're just going to use a single of each. So, let's see. Take the ground first. You don't want to go too tight. You don't want it coming off and getting loose down the road. And real quick, when you're installing the screws on, you want the hook to be installed so it tightens while you're tightening with the screwdriver, as opposed to opening up when you tighten it. So you can see how it closes just enough, just a touch I should say. And then hot last. And then I like to fold the conductors into the box nicely. You don't want to put too much pressure on the screws, but you want to be able to fold it in, and then I like to push it in and then insert the screws. And there will be drywall in between. So then if your receptacle is crooked, you can take a plug tester and gently, before you snug it up, make it straight, and then finish screwing it in. And the other thing you want to make sure when you're doing it is you have to imagine that the wall, this is plumb, so it's going up and down. You want to make sure that your receptacle is not crooked. Okay? So then once you do that, you're going to, the sheetrock will obviously have been on at this point because these sit on top of the sheetrock. And then this, like so. Go like this. And then whenever you're done working on a receptacle, make sure that the screw is vertical, but you want to take a step back from the receptacle, and you want to make sure that if it's crooked, you want to make sure that you make it plumb, so you don't have brand new receptacles all around the room being diagonal.